So what do we have? That's the opening bell, and we are off now to the, I can't say to the races, but this is a start. 26,100 on the Nifty, 84,700 something on the Sensex. So it's a pretty quiet start. Nifty Bank is very, very quiet, just a 20-point change on a 60,000 index. You got the mid-cap index, which is again sort of just dithering, nothing very much, and the small-cap index will come up as well. I'll give you a sense of where that is at, 7-point change. So it's absolutely quiet right now. Nifty heat map should give you a sense of where the 50 stocks are opening, and then we will look at the broader market where perhaps we will find more action. BEL, HCL Tech, Tata Steel, SBI Life, but it's basically, I think, a repeat, almost a repeat of the picture yesterday at 9:15. Some 35, 36 stocks are lower, and the others are higher. Hindalco is down after, I think, copper prices fell a little bit. Sun Pharma, DRL, Maruti are some of the other ones. Maruti, of course, was a casualty yesterday. It sold off, started selling off mid-afternoon, and finally ended about 3% lower. Rima.
Well, no big moves. Tata Steel has opened higher after the street likes the December production numbers. Stock is up nearly 0.5%. BEL has some strength going for itself, so building on 4% now up in the first 4 days of this trading week. The divergence between an ICICI Bank and a bank, HDFC Bank, is very stark this week. So week to date, HDFC Bank is down 5.5%, while ICICI Bank is up 5.5%. So that's an 11% outperformance by ICICI Bank vis-a-vis HDFC Bank. Today, of course, both these stocks are opening up on the flatter side. Titan continues with its up move from yesterday. It was the top gainer in the large cap space on the back of the strong 40% plus top line growth that the company is likely to report in Q3. Some more green on that, up 0.5%. HCL Tech is seeing some green. Interglobe Aviation up and about. Tata Steel, Adani Ports, NTPC. Actually, IT is also slightly, has got more green than red. On the way down, Pharma's on the back foot. So over 1% gone for Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy's. These are the top two Nifty losers. TCS is weak. Asian Paints also down. Crude prices inch slightly lower overnight in the last 24 hours, but not significant enough to move the needle for Asian Paints. Maruti Suzuki, by the way, sold off yesterday, recovered a tad bit, but still ended lower. And Maruti Suzuki today down another 0.5%, and Reliance Industries too, down 0.5% today. Week to date, loss for Reliance Industries is 6%, and Trent is the other large cap we should pull up. Well, still no recovery in that after the gash on Tuesday.
All right. Well, from the broader markets, a couple of stocks are catching your attention. Balaji Amines, the company has received eligibility certificate from the government for expansion of its solar power unit. They're also eligible for 250 crores of government incentives under the industrial promotion subsidy. Explains why that one is up close to 9%. The other big mover today is Panisha Biotech. I think that one, in fact, has spiked up. The enrollment of study participants for the Dengue Phase 3 trial has been completed. So Panisha Biotech, well, that's another big mover. A bit of both these two actually stand out in terms of the big movers. Camden Fine, well, that's up close to 5%. The stock did have a big run, then it lost its way a little bit, but that's back to its winning ways. You have D Development, another stock from the broader markets that's actually doing quite well. That stock is up close to around 7% as we speak. So massive move is what we're seeing out there. Misho, for the second day running, that stock is under some pressure. It's down close to around 4.5% or thereabouts. There was that unlock period that came about. Some of the shares that were locked in, they got free for trading.
And one of the CXOs
there was a resignation of one of the top officials of the company. So that seems to be weighing out there. The stock is under some pressure. Bliss GVS Pharma, the stock has been buzzing of late. Today it's coming for some profit taking, down close to around 3%. As is the case with the metal index. As Manisha told us, some of those commodities have cooled off. So that's why you have Hindustan Zinc that's down, Hindustan Copper that's down. Keep in mind, these stocks are up 40 to around 50% in a matter of 3 months. So they have come in for some profit taking in today's trading session. Vedanta as well is a little bit low. And let's just pull up LG Electronics. That one, you have the lock-in period actually, the 3-month lock-in period that expires today. Little down close to around 2% or thereabouts. But I think Stylem is a stock that our ticker team was alerting. That's up. I'm not sure about volumes. Volume's not very, very high. But that one, I think, was buzzing around as well.
Absolutely. And I think, these are first-rate Stylem on your screen. Kind of flat right now, 7 odd points. 13-point change on the Nifty. So this is a very, very quiet start to the day. Will things be picking up during the course of the session? That's, of course, something we'll watch out for. But for now, there isn't very much to show for it.